Hello and welcome to this ongoing tutorial series on Android Studio. In this tutorial, we're gonna learn about creating buttons and customizing their shapes. So for ado, let's start with this series. Go to your Android Studio project and go to the XML file. We are gonna start from where we left. We have to call is button. Uh, then I'm going to just show it below the cursor box. um, I'm going to give this margin up to 15. That would be okay. And let me align this a little bit. Margin horizontal 5 dp or 20. Okay, this will be okay. This is a simple button example. You can write text from it what you're gonna do with this. Let me name this about. You can customize the width and height of this button too, as per you need. Mm, so after this I'm gonna run this. So this is how it looks like. It's working fine. So next I'm going to show you how to create a circular button. um, to create a circular button, what we're gonna do is create another button. Let me name this history, and it will be aside this about button. Let me just fix this for a while. Always remember, when you're moving an object, that can be an image, text, or any other field, and in my case this is button, you cannot use margin horizontal. You have to use margin left to move it aside so it can be aligned and seen by the user. Now, so to create a circular button, what I'm going to do is go to this drawable file and create a resource file there, and I'm going to call it circle button. Now what I'm going to do is create an item, and then I'm calling shape will be oval, and let's give it a border. Border is given by stroke. And after that I'm calling solid. I'm going to select the color. Let's give it a size. 100 by 80 will be, that's pretty much the same button size. Now to assign this circular shape, what I'm going to do is go back to my main XML file and go to the button where I want to uh, create this whole circular shape. And what I'm going to do is call the background file, call the background, and yes, assign the drawable circular button XML file to it. So let's run this project. That's it. There is a circular button. After this circular button, what I'm going to do is create a round shape button, which is very popular in Android apps. So to create it, just call another button column, and that's it. You can copy all this field. Now go to the drawable and create a resource file. I will call it round shaped. It first I'm going to call item and then shape. Shape will be rectangular in shape. After that I'm calling stroke. Let me just visualize this button. After that I'm calling solid. So the magic begins with the thing called corners, and you can give it a radius as you like, as you want to, which will always be handy. And after this, what I'm calling is padding, so to circumcise the things, and you can give it a size and adjust all those things. So now let's assign this shape to this button, which is similar to circle. Let's run this project and just wait. So it seems like it's working. So hope you like this video on buttons. If you like this video, share with your friends, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot.